You ain't eating like this. I promise you, you are not eating like this the way we're eating this. Anyways, it's Berat. We are still in Berat, and we are gonna head over to Apollonia, the ancient ruins that are near Fear, I think. How do you say it? Fear, the town? Fear. So we're heading over to Fear. We're going there because Apollonia. Did I say it right? Apollonia? Apollonia. Yeah, we're going there. If it's good, we'll let you know. And we're gonna pick it up, probably end up spending the night in Vlora. So we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, we have arrived at Apollonia. Step one, we're gonna go peep the museum because it closes at 4. So if you get here and it's close to 4 o'clock, you should try to peep the museum first. And then we're gonna go check out the grounds. And then tonight we're probably gonna end up in Vlora. So I'm gonna show you the spot. There was no guy taking money at the bottom. Parking's free. It was $600 to get in. And this is the gate behind me. And then the museum itself is right here. So I'm gonna go see what this is about. The grounds is pretty big, so I think we'll be here for at least an hour or so. I'm very interested in seeing ruins this old, so this should be pretty awesome. Let's go take a look inside this thing. Man, so far this trip has been wild. You know, sometimes you don't see how, you know, little things you miss the first time you go to a place. And going back to Berat, especially with the cooler weather, was a totally different experience. Look at this entryway, guys. This is something. Wow. Oh my God. Welcome to Apollonia. This is unbelievable. Bam. Yo, what up with it? So it's 600 lek a person, and now we're in this courtyard. The bathrooms are right next to this bell tower that's behind me here. I don't know if you guys can peep the bell tower. This is where the bathrooms are. We're gonna go start from here and do the museum first, because like I said in the previous clip, is the dude was talking about that the museum will be closed at 4, so it's best if you try to see what's inside before that time. So we're gonna go peep it and see what's up. But look, this is a pretty amazing little courtyard and museum. You got the Orthodox Church chilling right in the middle. Clearly remnants of very ancient things. I'm looking forward to getting into some ancient mathematics, some ancient sciences, and I feel like this place you're gonna get some mathematics. Yo, peep guys, so this place is incredible. They have Proto-Illyrian artifacts and relics. They have Illyrian relics, they have Hellenistic period relics, they have Roman relics, they have some from the Neolithic period and the Stone Age. This place is pretty incredible. I bet you just start digging here and you find insane things. If you don't know, Albania is very proud of its history, as it should be. And if you're gonna live out here, you have access to this type of culture and these type of places in a very short distance drive from the capital city. And you guys can see, look, there's nobody here but us. There is no tourists everywhere. It's just, you have the place completely to yourself. I mean, this is what I'm saying, guys. This place is so undiscovered. Look how incredible it is. I mean, you're getting access to things that are just as old as Rome, just as old as, you know, Greece and all these other popular tourist destinations, but there's nobody here. Nobody but you, and you can take as much time as you need. And it cost me $6 with free parking. I don't know how in the world you could do better than that if you're a history nerd. And I, my friends, am a big history nerd. Sometimes you're just walking along and you don't know what you're gonna see, and then boom, out of nowhere, insane ancient ruins with 0 tourists anywhere. There's like one other guy up ahead with his kid. I mean, look at this. $6, access to this incredible place, access to a pretty interesting museum with relics going back to the 12th century BC and even to the Stone Age. When there was like, what he was saying is Proto-Illyrian people, and all they really know about them is they were farmers from Anatolia. So he's got pottery from like the 12th century BC. He's got like amazing stuff inside that place. It's just an absolute treasure. And look, we got coming up, this looks like a theater. So we would have had the main gate here, I guess. Let's see what that's all about. Yeah. And then I guess that would have been the seating in the theater. Wow. You certainly don't see this every day. You have to forgive the sunlight, guys, because it's just kind of setting in the west at the moment. And we are facing the west. But I'm gonna hike up over here so I can get a better view. I've been to structures like this in Asia, but they're not as old. When I was in Nepal, there were some structures from the 1st century and around the 2nd century, but these places predate that by a lot. So, like in terms of being, you know, developed societies, they're really old. So, wow, okay, here we go. So this is a real treasure for me. But again, I'm a nerd for this type of thing. So, hey, we all take our little pleasures where we do. And for me, history is one of them. If I was in a different life, I would have loved to have done archaeology. So this was the temple, guys, and this was the dry storage. So they would store their goods down here in this kind of little cavern-like thing. And then the main temple was over here. That's kind of amazing. 2nd century BC. This place is incredible. So you got This would have been the, I guess, the temple itself. Wow. And of course, we in off the beaten path. They got some kind of sign for a restaurant. I'm gonna see if it goes through to the other side of the complex or if it just ends up here. But this is pretty great. Some amazing places. And guys, this is like a 40-minute ride from Tirana. It's not far at all. Coming from Berat, we did it in like an hour. So super, super nice little hidden place. And no tourists, just you and a whole lot of history. Yo, it's the illustrious mathematics of expat relocation and travel blogging. Apollonia is amazing. You guys gotta come here. This place is incredible, and it's so close to Tirana, it's close to Berat, it's close to Vlora. It's just an amazing place. No tourists, so much history. Look at this view. You know, if you are sitting at home right now thinking, man, you know, I hate my job, I hate my life. Well, listen, man, I'm working for myself. I'm doing my thing. I don't have a boss. I don't call another man daddy. You know, you don't need to call another man daddy either. What you need to do is you need to figure out how to get your online income on point so you can come and live this lifestyle and see places like this and then take in this type of experience rather than just clocking in for some other man's money, you know? Like, what is he, your father? You're giving him money? Like, you're giving another man money. That's crazy. When you could be out here, you could be out in Apollonia. We could be out here in Apollonia peeping this view. You know, you gotta brush your teeth and you gotta educate yourself and your children's. What do you think of when you think of Albania? I think of opportunity. I think of a country that's open. I think of a country that wants long-stay expats, that wants people to come and invest, wants new ideas, and is looking towards the West. I think that Albania is a beautiful country with incredible landscapes that can offer a very comfortable lifestyle at a very reasonable price. We will help navigate your journey to becoming an expat in Albania. We're working with some of the top lawyers. We can help establish businesses. We can help you get your residency. We can help you get real estate. We can arrange almost any contact that you might need for the process of moving here in almost any city in the country. We will simplify the process. We'll make it a lot easier for you to move to a country that maybe in the past would have been more of a challenge. With our help, it's going to be a walk in the park.
Brush your face and wash your teeth, son.
Hey, what's up? I'm D from Canada. Hook up with the New York Nomad if you want a smooth ride into Vietnam or any Southeast Asian countries.
Hey, my name is Aaron. Get in contact with the New York Nomads. If you want to get into Vietnam, hit them up. They'll get you in securely and professionally.
Yo, this is Uncle Hollywood. I'm telling you right now, the New York Nomad got me a job. He's legit. Hit him up. Check him out.
New York Nomad set me up in Vietnam.
Yo, my man got me a job. Come to Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thinking about coming to Vietnam? You're not sure where to start. You've heard a lot of things online. You don't know what's true. You don't know what's not. We offer a consulting service where we help you get on your feet in Vietnam. We give you advice on negotiating contracts with employers. We help you with real estate agents, visa agents that are reliable and that you can trust. And we help you get started in this amazing country and get on your feet. We help you get into different opportunities that might be more difficult for you if you were just landing in the country on your own. And we help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that you could have as a newcomer here. We provide you with reliable job recruiters, visa agents, real estate agents, and advice. If you guys are thinking about coming to Vietnam, hit us up for a consultation. We'll help you get started, help you get on your feet, and hopefully you'll love Vietnam as much as we do.